Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. In this video we will show you how to put photo on home screen Android easily so you can personalize your phone the way you like. Now let's get started. Step 1. From your home screen, tap and hold on an empty space. This opens the home screen menu where you can customize layout, widgets and shortcuts. Step 2. In the menu that appears, find and tap the widgets option. This section contains useful tools and shortcuts you can place directly on your home screen. Step 3. Scroll through the widgets list and tap on the gallery option. This widget allows you to select and display a photo directly on your home screen. Step 4. Tap on Add to Home Screen to continue. This step places the photo widget onto your home screen so you can configure it. Step 5. Tap the checkmark icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This confirms your selection and moves you to the photo choosing screen. Step 6. Tap the gallery option again and select the photo you want to add. Choosing the image here ensures the exact photo appears on your home screen. Step 7. Tap the checkmark icon, then tap Done to confirm, and the selected photo will now appear on your Android home screen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.